Unlocking the Secrets of Chord Embellishment. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of music with a focus on chord embellishment. This might sound complex, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. Chord embellishment is a beautiful way to add flavor and depth to music, and it's something musicians of all levels can explore. So, let's get started on this musical journey. First things first, let's understand what we mean by chords and embellishment. A chord is a group of notes played together, creating a harmonious sound. It's like a team of flavors combining in a delicious recipe. Embellishment, on the other hand, refers to the art of adding decorative details or features to something to make it more attractive or interesting. Put them together, and chord embellishment is all about adding extra notes or changing certain aspects of a chord to enhance its sound and emotional impact. Chord embellishments can take many forms, but let's focus on a few common types. Adding notes. This involves introducing additional notes to a chord that are not part of its basic structure. It's like adding a pinch of an unexpected spice to a dish to enhance its flavor. Suspensions. This technique involves temporarily delaying the resolution of a chord by hanging on to a note from the previous chord before moving to the expected note. It creates a sense of anticipation and release. Passing tones. These are notes played in between the chords to create a smooth transition from one chord to another. Imagine it as a graceful dance step linking one move to the next. You might wonder, why go through the trouble of embellishing chords? The answer is simple: emotion and expression. Chord embellishments can transform a simple piece of music into an emotional journey, adding layers of feeling and depth. They allow musicians to express themselves more fully and connect with their listeners on a deeper level. Now, how can you start incorporating these embellishments into your playing? Here are a few tips. Listen and learn. Pay attention to songs and pieces that use chord embellishments. Try to identify the types of embellishments used and how they affect the music. Experiment. Don't be afraid to experiment with different embellishments. Add extra notes to chords you already know, or try out suspensions and passing tones. Practice. Like any skill, mastering chord embellishments requires practice. Work on them regularly, and you'll see your musical expression grow. I hope this video has demystified the concept of chord embellishment for you and inspired you to explore it in your musical journey. Remember, music is a language of emotion, and embellishing chords is one way to enrich your musical vocabulary. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy playing!